that report is, your lordship, malicious, your lordship.
That is malicious.
Because, your lordship, they have asked some money from the family members of the applicant, your lordship, and when they have refused to give the money, so that
किसने मांगा था पैसा?
your lordship,
3 महीने का टाइम फरवरी में दिया था महिला अभी
sir, temporary bail, your lordship. His health is getting bad, worse day by day, your lordship.
क्या हो गया?
Your lordship, first is coming out from his belly button, your lordship. First is continuously coming out from his belly button, your lordship, due to which he is in immense pain in the jail premises, your lordship.
श्री, आपका शुभ नाम बताइए?
Vaibhav Pandey.
Vaibhav Pandey submits that pus is oozing out of the belly button of the applicant Vipin Shukla, son of Shri Bhaskar Dutt. Full stop. Let medical report be called for from the concerned superintendent of Central Jail, Rewa, and he will also inform that वो रिपोर्ट लगी हुई है, इसमें
रिपोर्ट लगी हुई है महिला
पढ़िए तो.
Yes, your lordship, that report is, your lordship, malicious, your lordship.
That is malicious.
Because, your lordship, they have asked some money from the family members of the applicant, your lordship, and when they have refused to give the money, so that
किसने मांगा था पैसा?
your lordship, the
बताइए, गवर्नमेंट बताइएगा. गवर्नमेंट बताइएगा.
lordship,
किसने मांगा पैसा? प्लीज बताइए.
superintendent.
सुप्रिटेंडेंट.
Yes, lordship.
कहाँ लिखा है आपने इसमें? क्या लिखा था?
Your lordship, in paragraph number D, your lordship,
पैराग्राफ डी.
the police have sought money from the father of the applicant, and when the father of
Superintendent of police asked money or superintendent of jail asked for money?
jail,
अच्छा, चलिए लिखिएगा. क्या लिखा था? शुरू से पढ़िएगा. नहीं काट दीजिए. नहीं, शुरू से पढ़िए. बस नहीं, बस losing out of the belly button. ठीक है, next पैरा. श्री प्रमोद सक्सेना, learned government advocate, reading annexure A4 dated 6/3/2023, issued by Dr. R.K. Mishra, medical officer, Central Jail Hospital, Rewa, submits that the applicant does not suffer from any ailment. Applicant का नाम डाल लीजिएगा जो ऊपर लिखा है ना. Does not suffer from any ailment. Next para. At this stage, श्री, इनका वकील साहब का नाम डालिएगा. क्या नाम है आपका?
Vaibhav Pandey.
Vaibhav Pandey submits that superintendent of Central Jail demanded money from him, from the father of the under trial, to give appropriate medical report, and when that money was refused, then truncated report is furnished. Full stop. Next para. Two things emerge from this allegation made by learned counsel at bar. One, it needs investigation, for which applicant is directed to file an affidavit in front of the Honorable Lokayukt of the state of Madhya Pradesh, and Honorable Lokayukt is requested to take action if affidavit is filed by the father of the present applicant within 15 days, informing him that Superintendent of Central Jail, Rewa, had demanded money for giving appropriate medical report of the accused Vipin Shukla, and it is further requested that he shall cause investigation into the allegation, and also widen the scope of investigation by examining the relatives of other inmates of the Central Jail, Rewa, that whether any money is being demanded by the authorities of the Central Jail, Rewa, for extending any of the favors which are against the provisions contained in jail manual or for extending favors which otherwise are in the shape of rights of the inmates or their relatives lodged in the central jail, Riva. Full stop. Honorable Lokayukt is requested to complete investigation and furnish its and share its report to this court as well. Next paragraph. Since there are serious allegations against the integrity of the superintendent of Central Jail Riva, it is directed that the CEO and Dean of SS Medical College Riva shall constitute a team of 5 medical experts, out of which 3 will be at least of the rank of senior professors in the Department of Medicine and Surgery, to examine the inmate Vipin Shukla and shall furnish medical report without any fear or favor, factual medical report without any fear or favor to this court within 7 days. For this purpose, Superintendent of Central Jail Hospital Riva shall cause presence of the inmate Vipin Shukla before the Dean, CEO cum Dean, SS Medical College Riva on 20 April 2023. Full stop. Before this date, it will be duty of the government advocate to communicate a copy of this order to the Superintendent of Central Jail Riva, Superintendent of Police Riva, CEO cum Dean SS Medical College Riva, and also to Honorable the Lokayukt of the State of Madhya Pradesh. It is made clear that if the applicant's father fails to furnish an affidavit in terms of the pleadings made by learned counsel before this court, then this court will impose heavy penalty on the applicant's father and father/guardian, and also take action against the counsel for making a statement at bar.
एलिगेशन पुलिस पे लगाया है इन्होंने, जेल अथॉरिटी पे एलिगेशन है नहीं इनकी एप्लीकेशन में, पुलिस पे लगाया है सीधे।
वो तो इतना समझते नहीं ना, इसीलिए आपके सामने तो पूछा था ये बात, उसमें क्लियर कर लीजिएगा एक लाइन। This court specifically, after reading paragraph D of the application, specifically asked Shri Pandey as to whether he is making allegations against the Superintendent of Police Riva or against the Superintendent of Central Jail Riva. He categorically clarified that his allegations are against the Superintendent of Central Jail Riva. ठीक है? Let there be an inquiry.
I'm sorry.
नहीं, sorry की कोई बात नहीं.
But there
Let there be an inquiry. All is not well. What he is saying, it appears that all is not well.
It should be inquired.
हाँ, इसीलिए तो हमने हाईएस्ट अथॉरिटी जो है करप्शन को इंक्वायर करने के लिए उनको कह दिया, उनको रिक्वेस्ट कर दी। लिस्ट ऑन 25 अप्रैल 2023।